This is a learning video for Feed the Birds from Walt Disney's Mary Poppins. Feed the Birds melody, right where you come in. 1, 2, 3. Steps of St. Paul, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls, come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that she cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. recommend you learn this song in these 4 steps. Begin by learning the melody first on a neutral syllable while observing the exact breaths and phrases. I like da-da. Plan your breaths and don't let yourself breathe just wherever. Next, study the text and meaning and learn to pronounce the words and identify the held vowel sounds of your long notes. Then sing along with me, adding the lyrics to the melody. Once you have the melody down pat with the melody file, try singing the song by yourself with the accompaniment. Until next time, remember, only the brave